In the first lesson, we will learn how to use the mouse in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, when we press and hold the mouse scroll, the shape of the mouse pointer becomes like a palm, and we can move the screen in all directions.
To explain it better, imagine this paper is your AutoCAD workspace, this is your monitor frame, and this is your mouse cursor moving freely. When I press and hold the scroll wheel, it's like the mouse cursor turns into a hand and sticks to the paper. Now, as I move the mouse while holding the scroll wheel, the hand can move the paper around, allowing me to view different parts of it on my screen. Watch again. I release the scroll wheel, and the hand turns back into the mouse cursor, detached from the paper. I press and hold the scroll wheel again. The cursor becomes a hand and sticks to the paper, ready to move it. Now, as I move the mouse to the left, I'm telling the hand to move the paper to the left as well. But it has reached the left-hand side of the page, and it will not go further to the left. And the more I move the mouse to the left, the hand itself doesn't move any further, so it can't drag the paper anymore. But I still want the view to keep shifting so I can see the drawings on that side of the page. In this situation, I release the scroll wheel so the mouse cursor becomes free again. I move the mouse to the right, so the mouse cursor moves to the right side of the screen. And with pressing and holding the scroll, I repeat this again until the page is in the desired place. I'm doing exactly the same thing in AutoCAD. Of course, this viewing angle here is from real life, just to make the explanation clearer. But in AutoCAD's 2D space, we always look straight down at the drawing, perfectly perpendicular to the page. Now watch this. I press and hold the scroll wheel, then drag the page in the direction I want. When the cursor hits a point where it doesn't move forward anymore, I release the scroll wheel, switch direction, and repeat the same action. I can do this as many times as I need. You might ask, where is the edge of the drawing space in AutoCAD? Well, the answer is, there is none. The AutoCAD workspace is a virtual space that extends infinitely in all directions.
So note it, by holding down the scroll and moving the mouse, we can move our viewing screen in different directions. Another function of mouse is, if we scroll up or down, it zooms in and zooms out. Scrolling down zooms out and scrolling up zooms in. In the zoom-in operation, the mouse pointer is placed at any point. That point will be the center of the zoom. For example, the pointer is here, and I zoom in. This time the pointer is here and I zoom in. So, in your booklet, right in front of this figure that shows the rotation of the scroll upwards, with the rotation of the scroll upwards, zoom in is performed. And in front of the figure that shows the rotation of the scroll downwards, right with the rotation of the scroll towards the bottom is done by zooming out.